everyone, it's a warm day in Southern California and I'm enjoying some iced coffee that I made with my AeroPress XL. This thing makes some amazing iced coffee. You want to learn how to do it yourself? Stay tuned. Hi, welcome back. Okay, so if you're not familiar with AeroPress XL and how to brew with it, see our other video on the AeroPress XL. I'll give you kind of a rundown of how to use it. Okay, so for today we're going to make about 500 milliliters of brewed coffee, which is about 17 ounces of coffee. It'll end up probably being 16 ounces in the end. But the ratios are as follows. We use 34 grams of ground coffee beans, you grind it fine, 200 grams of ice, and this is what we're going to pour the coffee over when we're done brewing, and then 300 grams or 300 milliliters of hot water over the grounds. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's do the first half and get the brewing going. Okay, so we're going to use our AeroPress XL. I've got the filter in there already. Let's go ahead and put the grounds in, and we'll zero out the scale. And then now we're going to pour 300 grams of water. Remember, that's about 11 ounces. So here we go. You'll see a little bit coming down, but that's okay. Don't worry about that. We're going to put the plunger in and we'll stop that. Okay, now we're at 300 grams. Put the plunger in, put it off the scale, and now we're going to let it stew for about 4 minutes. This will eventually stop dripping, and then we'll go ahead and plunger it through. Okay, it's ready to go. We've steeped it for 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and plunge it, and then what we're going to do is pour it over ice. Okay, so here we go. And then here we go. We're brewing the coffee. Now this is extra strong. Remember, it's 34 grams to 11 ounces. So it's going to be a little bit stronger than normal because we're going to be diluting it with ice. There we go. I'll show you my little pro trick for keeping it from dripping. Okay, we're at the bottom. And you just turn it up just a tad and you pull it and it doesn't drip. Nice drip, isn't it? Okay, so now we're going to pour it over ice. We have our 200 grams of ice. Oops. And then we pour this guy over the ice. Put the lid on, and then we stir it. Okay? So we're going to stir this until all the ice melts, and it doesn't take very long. Watch. You can see the ice is melting fairly quickly. And once it's melted all the ice, we're ready to have our iced coffee. It's that simple. This makes amazing iced coffee, especially for light roasted coffees. This is the coffee we're using today is an Ethiopian double washed coffee, so it's really bright tasting. Okay, look, all the ice is gone. Okay, so now I got my little tumbler with ice. And just pour it over there. Cheers! That is just amazing. You know, I never thought I'd like iced coffee, but this is amazing. Well, anyway, thanks for tuning in today. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments below. Okay, talk to you soon.